Sometimes, the idea of earning money online sounds really impossible. Do you too feel like that? Well, the times have changed now, and the world is making its living by working online. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, where you learn about different ways to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 8 ways through which you can earn money online in 2021. This is not just another video recommending some particular side hustles, but you are going to find out some interesting online money-making ideas. So stay with us till the end of the video to find out some unique ideas for yourself. Before we begin the video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified when I come back with a new video. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Number 8. Freelancing. When it comes to freelancing, all you need is skills. If you are good at writing, designing, video editing, photography, or anything, all you need to do is find some clients in your niche. You can do this by making an account on freelancing sites, or you can find clients on social media platforms. At the beginning of your freelancing career, I would suggest you be ready with your writing samples and create an account of freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and there are many others. These sites will help you learn how to work with clients, deal with revisions, and what kind of projects are mostly looked for in your niche. Number 7. YouTube. If you are doing freelancing, you are skillful, and you can share your knowledge and experience in your field of expertise through YouTube videos. In the beginning years of your YouTube career, you will have to be more consistent and search for different ways to create new videos that are relatable to people and reach more and more people. Your consistency on this digital platform will help you monetize through your videos that you will get until that video is out there. Number 6. Brand sponsorships. If you have a good number of followers on Instagram and your YouTube channel is also doing good, then you can go for brand sponsorships. In this, some particular brands will contact you, or you will contact them, and you will have to market and promote their product on your social media platforms, for which you will be paid a good amount of money. Brand sponsorships can bring a lot of money, but be cautious while choosing a brand to bring it on your social media platforms. The first thing you should check is the brand's reputation in the market, and then look for the services they provide. If it suits your niche, then just get going. Number 5. Webinar. During the lockdown, webinars have caught fire. People were introduced to this new digital source through which they can learn new things. If you have any skill or are good at something like writing poetry, performing arts, you can share your knowledge with aspiring candidates and help them grow in that field. Number 4. Launch online course. If you are doing something for long and have gained experience in that field, you can launch your online course. For instance, if you are good at SEO, create a complete course about it and upload the material on your social media platform or wherever you are most active. By doing this, you will have to put in the efforts for once, and then you can earn from this course on autopilot mode. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best online side hustles these days. Many companies are always searching for affiliate marketers who can promote their products and get them more buyers. If you are a content creator on any platform and have a good audience base, you can become any company's affiliate marketer. All you have to do is promote their product, include affiliate links in your content, and let your audience know why the product is good. When someone clicks on the link or buys any product from there, you will earn around 20% commission on every sale. Number 2. Investment. If you want to add money to your hard-earned money, then start investing your money from today. You can invest in real estate, buy some stocks, or have some fixed deposits in your name. By supporting the money, you might not get good money today, but by doing so, you are securing your future in the long run. Number 1. By upgrading your skills. You might be thinking, how upgrading my skills are on the list to make money online in 2021. If you want to work in any field, you will have to be good at it, and to be good at it, you will have to keep on learning new things to sustain in the market and stand out from yourself. Therefore, I recommend you to earn well, but when you feel like things are getting monotonous and you are stuck somewhere, it's time to feed yourself some knowledge and upgrade the skills to earn more than you did before. With this, we come to the end of the video, in which you have 8 ways to earn online in 2021. Have you tried any of them on the list before? If yes, then do share your experience in the comments section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family who really need this video. See you in the next video. Till then, earn well.